Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 2 in Financial Crimes 1. This is Professor Dunaway. I hope you all had a good first week and that you're having a good summer so far. I can't believe it's already, and I always say this, if you've had me in class before, you know, I'm always surprised how fast time's going by. And I'm going to say it again. I can't believe we're at the middle of June already, or July. It's crazy to me. So anyway, hope you all had a good first week. We're heading into week 2. So last week there was an introduction and overview of the course. And as I mentioned, there are, and I have on the screen, our course website here. So if you look, you'll see learning outcomes listed under each week in the course roadmap. So for week 1, it says that you should be able to discuss the purposes, strengths, and weaknesses of financial intelligence units, and also analyze the range of financial crimes, both domestic and international. So if you kind of feel like you could do that, you have a good handle on that, then you're in a good place for the week. Last week there were 4 videos: an intro to AML, and intro to terrorist financing, an intro to bribery and corruption, and then also research skills. So this week, so there were 4 videos to watch, and then there were also the 3 files to take a look at. So if you've done all that and can look at the learning outcomes and feel like you have a good handle on that, then you're in good shape after week 1. You also at this point should have, and I think most of you did, or all of you did, posted your social bios. So thank you for that. And there's been some good interaction so far. And then you also should have posted your initial post for week 1 on Wednesday evening, or by Wednesday evening. And then your replies are due this evening. Because I'm posting this Sunday, what's the date today? The 16th. So Sunday the 16th. So your week 1 replies are due this evening by 11:59 p.m. Pacific. And as I said last week, we don't have a set number of replies you need, but we do want multiple. So if you just have one, you won't get full credit. And we also want you, commenting on multiple threads. So you should be commenting on other students and then also students that have commented on yours, so you can kind of reply to them. So we just want to see some good interaction. Again, no set number. So if you make multiple posts, you'll be fine. So this week, week 2, we will begin talking about money laundering. So again, I have the learning outcomes up on the screen. So you'll want to, by the end of the week, be able to define and discuss the various definitions of money laundering and compliance. You'll want to understand the stages and the processes of money laundering. You'll want to be able to evaluate the effectiveness of various initiatives and the criteria for the evaluation of various initiatives regarding money laundering. So again, as long as you can answer those, and let me just click into week 2 for a second. My internet has been very slow today, so my computer's thinking and thinking and thinking. But anyway, we'll hope it loads. If not, as I mentioned, or I don't think I did mention, there are also 4 videos this week to take a look at, and there are 3 reading assignments, 3 reading files for you to look at as well. So next week, as you'll see here, week 3, we are still talking about money laundering. Oh, see now, that took a while for my computer to, and it's still hung up. So as I mentioned, as they load, there's 4 videos and then 3 readings. So make sure you take a look at all of that. So again, next week we will continue our discussion of money laundering as well. Okay, so I already went over last week and hopefully what you've accomplished. So this week you want to make sure you do the readings. You want to watch all the videos. You again want to post in the discussion forum, initial post Wednesday evening by 11:59 p.m. all of your replies by next Sunday. And optional office hours this week with me again, 6 p.m. Pacific time, Tuesday. And again, they're optional, but if you wanted to stop in, have a question, want to say hello, I will be there. And a reminder that your first assignment is due in 2 weeks. So that would be July 30th, first assignment, and it's been posted. So if you want to take a look at it, it's there for you to look at. So I think that's everything. I hope everybody has a good week. As usual, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Or if you have any questions for Dr. Monroe, he is always more than available to answer questions as well. So, and he's posted his information on the course website. So I think that's it. I hope you all have a good week too. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone.